11 Amazing benefits of drinking green tea before bed. Maybe you already enjoy a cup of tea before you go to bed, or maybe you're wondering how to get the best night's sleep you can. Well, an overwhelming amount of evidence suggests tea, particularly green tea, before bed is the answer to many of our problems. Why green tea? Native to China, green tea is consumed all over the world today and is largely revered as one of the healthiest beverages available. In fact, when you start looking, the benefits of green tea seem pretty endless. For thousands of years, it's been used in traditional medicine to help provide a range of benefits, from better mental health to improved cardiovascular function. Not only that, but it also prevents high blood pressure, regulates digestion, and heals wounds. It may even boost your metabolism, especially when you enjoy a cup before bed. Discover the benefits of drinking tea before bed. 1. Sleep well. It's a well-known fact that we should all be getting around 8 hours of sleep per night in order to remain healthy, but for some of us, this seems like an impossible task. However, sipping green tea before bed could help you if you're suffering from sleep-related problems like insomnia. That's because L-theanine is found in green tea, as well as many of tea's blends. This is an amino acid with a plethora of properties. It helps you relax and reduces anxiety, which will be a huge benefit if you struggle to find sleep each night. It will improve the quality of your sleep, too, without leaving you feeling lethargic and sleepy like other natural and synthetic sleep supplements. This is supported by a poll of 2,000 people, suggesting that enjoying a cup of tea at around 9-10 p.m. before going to sleep at 10-26 p.m. is one of the best ways to drift off to the land of nod quickly and easily. 2. Reduce your risk of cancer. Studies demonstrate how various cancer risks can be lowered by consuming green tea. These include prostate, pancreas, bladder, stomach, breast, colon, and liver cancer. In fact, one study of 70,000 women indicated how consuming green tea on a regular basis reduces colorectal cancer. A clinic described how green tea extract shows promising results in the treatment of chronic lymphocytic leukemia. If you try adding oranges or your favorite citrus to your green tea, this will help your body maximize its absorption because citrus makes absorbing catechins easier. You'll also benefit from more antioxidant effects as well. 3. Benefit from improved cardiovascular health. Harvard University studies claim that cardiovascular disease can be reduced by drinking green tea. It could also reduce triglycerides and cholesterol, types of fat found in your blood. Equally, a study in Japan also found that those who were consuming 5 or more cups of green tea each day were at lower risk of suffering from a stroke or heart attack, with 15% less chance of death. 4. Feel less stressed, anxious, and depressed. The caffeine found in green tea can boost your mood, while L-theanine, which is found as most tea blends, also helps fight depressive symptoms. Helping yourself to a cup of green tea can induce brainwave production, and this can help take you to a more relaxed and happy state of mind. 5. Burn fat and lose weight. By consuming green tea at night, research suggests that you can make sure your metabolism rate is speedy before you go to bed. And when you get a good amount of sleep, this can improve your overall metabolism, creating a much healthier body. One study found that this increase in metabolism can be as much as 4%. There are thermogenic properties within green tea, which promotes fat burning far beyond caffeine alone. It's also able to regulate your hormones and blood sugar, which decreases your appetite, but it may also boost the fat-burning hormones in your body, which will increase how efficiently it's broken down. Tea Skinny works to energize and curb your cravings. 6. Lower your cholesterol. Lower cholesterol can be enjoyed through drinking green tea as it's been found to reduce the levels of cholesterol in blood. However, even though green tea may help keep your cholesterol levels in check, It won't provide a magic cure for high cholesterol levels. Therefore, you will need to team your green tea consumption with a healthy diet, exercising on a daily basis, and avoiding high cholesterol foods. 7. Better oral hygiene. Another Japanese study found that healthy teeth and gums are promoted by regularly drinking green tea. The researchers involved in this study claim that green tea drinkers will benefit from this intake while also reducing the onset of periodontal disease. This disease is one that affects the bones and gums of the teeth by causing chronic inflammation. And it's believed that the catechins in green tea may be the main reason for better oral health, as green tea induces your body's natural inflammatory response to the bacteria caused by periodontal disease. 8. Improved immune system. Polyphenols are another type of antioxidant found in green tea, and these two boast anti-inflammatory properties. Ingesting these can help with autoimmune diseases like psoriasis and rheumatoid arthritis, as it subtly changes the way your immune system works. 9. Healthy hair and glowing skin. Green tea helps give your hair a radiant shine while also limiting the causes of aging. It can also control pain relief and help with acne breakouts. So by drinking green tea, you should boost collagen production in your skin, which helps reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Topically, it works wonders. This is why we make skin care products with green tea. The green tea facial scrub gently exfoliates to reduce oil and pores. It works as a face wash, and unlike rough exfoliating washes, you can use it every day. The green tea detox mask is another holy grail skincare product. With only 3 all-natural ingredients, it eliminates acne and gives you that glow we all strive for. 10. Boosted brain power. The antioxidants in green tea can boost your cognitive thinking, which they help improve even after you've been to sleep. This is also why this type of tea can improve the quality of your sleep. And caffeine is another element that helps promote better cognitive functions while also stimulating your brain. But don't worry, this won't keep you awake at night unless you're really sensitive to caffeine, which we'll explore next. In fact, because you're getting a better night's sleep, green tea should have you bouncing out of bed in the morning with added vigor and energy. 11. Reduced risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. A recent study looked at the effect of one of green tea's components, CAGTE, on Alzheimer's disease. It added to other research projects which found that Alzheimer's disease could be staved off by drinking green tea. That said, as researchers used a higher dose than would normally be consumed, more research needs to be done to establish just how protective green tea is in smaller doses. What if caffeine keeps you awake at night? Even though you're impressed by all of the above facts and stats, you can't help thinking that the caffeine in green tea will keep you awake at night. Sound right? Well, don't panic. If you do find that green tea keeps you awake longer than it should, you could opt for other herbal teas that are caffeine-free. For example, if you're looking to relax as much as possible before you drift off, chamomile tea is a great choice. But it's also worth noting that green tea only contains a marginal amount of caffeine compared to other caffeinated drinks. The average cup has around 35 milligrams, but you may be able to find strains that contain even less than that. Older leaves tend to have less caffeine in them compared to younger ones. In stark contrast, an espresso contains as much as 720 milligrams. What's the best time to drink green tea before bed? If you drink your cup of green tea straight before you go to sleep, you may find that you're having to get up in the night to use the bathroom. Therefore, as the poll above demonstrates, an hour before bedtime is the ideal time so you have the chance to go to the bathroom before you go to sleep. Ready to drink tea before bed? As you can see, drinking green tea before you go to bed can provide you with a whole host of amazing health benefits, both mentally and physically. And even if you don't enjoy the taste of green tea, Getting into the habit of having a hot tea in bed, in a flavor of your choice, can help you unwind and relax by giving you that much-needed time out from day-to-day stresses. We hope this video is helpful to you, and please subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Turn on notification and share the video with your friends and family.